Everyone, so in this video I am going to show you that how to access or use the MongoDB Compass localhost. So in this localhost I connected a database, or I can say I created a database with the name of flights, and in this we have three files in which the first one is airlines, and the storage size is, you can see there are 14 documents in this and one index is okay. So in the next document we have the airports, and it contains 322 documents, and in the next we have the flight. So in this video I am going to show you that how to import data in any MongoDB localhost. So it's very easy, very easy. First, you have to download this. If you don't know how to download this app, so in the description there is a link of the video so that you can go on the video and you can download. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you that how to create. For creation, just go here and add new connection, and here you would name it any name you can give it and it would connect. Okay, so just like it would appear like this, and in the plus section you can add any file or any collection here. And if you want that or you want to do some of the operations, so just click on the open MongoDB shell, and here I would give the command, for example, show databases. So it's very simple, show dbs, and it would show me all the databases in this, like the admin, like the files database, which is 70 for 715.36 MIB, and this is admin config and local, so that you can use different types of commands. So from the next video I am going to show you these commands separately, that how you can access these commands and use it for your own purposes. So that's for our today. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this MongoDB Shelly videos.